Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with a single stiff sheet and the basic tools. Pick stronger paper so the hook keeps curve. Fold the page in half along the long edge and press the center crease. This gives you symmetry. Next, unfold and mark a 1/2-inch diagonal from the top corner toward the center line because that angle forms the hook's shoulder. Once done, make a shallow pilot crease along that diagonal so subsequent layers line up cleanly and you can roll tightly later. You cut long, narrow strips and roll them tightly to create a solid shaft. The diameter controls stiffness, so aim for roughly 6 to 8 millimeters. Once you have individual rods, glue and fuse 3 to 4 staggered layers, offsetting joints so the hook bends smoothly instead of folding at a seam. Then gently shape the sapling curve over a round form. Use a dowel or marker, applying thin glue along the outer curve. This locks the arc and distributes tension. You form the distinctive Maui hook tip by tapering the end. Fold into a tight triangular point, trim excess, and glue a thin reinforcing strip around the tip so it won't split under load. Once assembled, burnish seams and apply a light varnish or diluted glue wash to seal fibers against moisture. If the hook develops a hairline crack, don't force it. Soak the area briefly, rewrap a thin paper strip over the crack, add adhesive, and clamp until fully cured. This restores strength without bulk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.